This video shows how to replace the faceplate on a PowerEdge T350. Before you begin, power off the system and disconnect all the attached peripherals. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/PowerEdge manuals. To begin, first remove the front bezel. To do this, using the key, unlock the bezel and pull it out. Now, remove the system cover. To do this, rotate the lock on top of the system cover to the unlock position. Lift the latch to disengage the cover from the system, then lift the system cover off. Then, remove the side cover. Remove the 3 screws in the rear side of the chassis and slide the side cover towards the rear of the system. Now, to remove the faceplate, pull out the tabs on both sides of the faceplate and take it off. To replace the faceplate, insert the tabs on the faceplate with the slots on the system and press the faceplate until it locks into place. Now, align the side cover with the slots on the system and slide the side cover towards the front of the system until firmly seated. Then tighten the 3 screws. Replace the system cover. To do this, first place the cover into its position on the system. Lower the latch to engage the cover into the system. Then rotate the lock on top of the system cover to lock position. Now, insert the front bezel. Align and insert the bezel tabs into the slots on the system. Then, press the bezel until it locks into place, using the key to lock the bezel. You have replaced the faceplate on a PowerEdge T350. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.